Behavioral science is a fascinating field. It explores how people act. It looks at why we do the things we do. Behavioral science includes many different areas of study. It brings together ideas from sociology, anthropology, and psychology. Even economics and law play a role. By studying human behavior, we can learn a lot. Behavioral science helps us understand individuals and groups. Behavioral science uses experiments to understand behavior. Researchers observe people. They collect data on actions and reactions. This helps them find patterns. Understanding these patterns is key. It allows us to predict and explain human behavior. Psychology is a big part of behavioral science, encompassing a wide range of studies and practices. It focuses on the mind, exploring its complexities and mysteries. Psychologists study how people think, feel, and behave, aiming to understand the underlying processes. The study of the mind is ancient, dating back to early civilizations. Even early philosophers were interested in the nature of human thought and consciousness. Plato and Aristotle thought deeply about the mind's nature, pondering its origins and functions. Hippocrates, a famous physician, made connections between the mind and physical health. He believed our personality was linked to our bodies through the balance of the four humors. Centuries passed, and more thinkers explored the mind, each adding to the growing body of knowledge. René Descartes focused on the mind-body connection, a revolutionary idea at the time. He thought they were separate entities that could influence each other, a concept known as dualism. This idea is still important in psychology today, influencing modern theories and practices. The 19th century brought about a more scientific approach, with rigorous methods and experiments. Wilhelm Wundt and William James helped establish experimental psychology, laying the groundwork for future research. This shifted the field towards a more systematic study of the mind and behavior, paving the way for modern psychology. In the early 20th century, a new movement emerged, behaviorism. John B. Watson, a key figure in this movement, argued for a change in focus. He believed that psychology should concentrate on what could be observed behavior. Consciousness, he argued, was too difficult to study scientifically. B.F. Skinner, another prominent behaviorist, expanded on these ideas. He developed the concept of operant conditioning. His research showed how reinforcement and punishment could shape behavior. Behaviorism had a profound impact on psychology, emphasizing the role of the environment in shaping our actions. Section 4, Psychoanalytic Theory, delving into the unconscious. While behaviorism gained prominence, Sigmund Freud offered a different perspective, one that delved deep into the unseen realms of the human psyche. His psychoanalytic theory explored the unconscious mind, a concept that was groundbreaking at the time. Freud believed that our hidden desires, often rooted in childhood experiences, strongly influence our behavior and shape our personalities. He suggested that unresolved conflicts and repressed emotions in the unconscious could lead to psychological distress, manifesting as anxiety, depression, or other mental health issues. Freud's ideas were revolutionary and controversial, sparking debates and discussions that continue to this day. He proposed that our conscious thoughts and actions are only the tip of the iceberg, with the vast majority of our mental processes hidden beneath the surface. Beneath the surface lies a vast, unconscious realm that exerts a powerful influence on our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. His work led to the development of psychoanalysis, a type of therapy that aims to uncover and address these unconscious conflicts, helping individuals gain insight and achieve emotional healing. Section 5, The Evolution of Psychology after World War II. World War II marked a significant turning point for the field of psychology. The end of the war saw a dramatic surge in the need for mental health services, as countless individuals sought help for their psychological wounds. Returning veterans grappling with trauma and psychological distress fueled the rapid growth of clinical psychology, which aimed to address these urgent needs. The space race of the 1960s further accelerated this growth, as the quest for technological and scientific dominance included advancements in psychological research. Governments around the world invested heavily in research and training, hoping to gain a competitive edge in the Cold War era. This influx of funding led to significant advancements in the field. During this period, new therapies emerged, revolutionizing the way mental health issues were treated. Behavior therapy, for example, applied the principles of learning to treat psychological problems, focusing on observable behaviors rather than internal mental states. This approach aimed to modify harmful behaviors through techniques like exposure therapy and systematic desensitization, which gradually reduced patients' fears and anxieties. Twin studies also gained traction during this time, shedding light on the complex interplay of nature and nurture in shaping who we are, and providing valuable insights into genetic and environmental influences on behavior.